Alright, so here's the red seatbelt guide. Okay, this I used a semi-transparent red PETG because that's what I had available. Right, this is what it looks like with the seatbelt in there. The material on this one kind of warps a bit more, so it was a little bit, it's kind of more stuck to the posts of the headrest. I'd probably have to drill the holes a little bit bigger so it can slide smoothly. But that's what it looks like. This one also didn't stick to the bed too well and kind of warped there. This one printed okay. So, yeah. So right now, because it sticks to it, you can see it pulls it up when you pull the headrest up. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you want different colors, let me know. I could probably get one that's not so transparent or translucent, so it's more like, yeah, I don't know, more of a solid red. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.